southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Dixon County. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, northern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Thompson Station, or 9 miles southwest of Franklin, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Thompson Station, Antioch, Berry Hill, Natchez Trace at Highway 96 and Leapers Fork. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 212 and 218. Interstate 65 between mile markers 61 and 81. Interstate 24 between mile markers 52 and 71. Interstate 840 between mile markers 14 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.